Here we have a nice little organette that was just finished restoration, and it was made by the F.W. Abbott Company of Montreal, Canada. As far as I know, this is the only company that ever made this style organettes in Canada. Of course, there was the McCamey Company in the United States, which made the majority of organettes, as well as several others, probably lots more that I'm not aware of. And of course, in Europe, they were quite plentiful. Several different styles have come through our shops from Paris, especially. That area was quite talented with people, especially the Italians, were excellent at this kind of work. And of course, they all migrated into Paris, and this is where all of the big organ companies like Gavioli and Gasparini were established. Anyway, this one's all done. It's a nice little piece. It's got 14 reeds. Goes back to the 1890s. The music roll that's on it is original. And this first tune I'm going to play for you is called Finnegan's Wake. And of course, as you know, the Irish and Scots always had their wakes. And this is what you would have heard if you went back when poor old Finnegan was going to be put into the ground. It cranks very easily now. You do have to go to keep pace. In other words, your cranking is what sets the tempo on these instruments. The next one is called Lanigan's Ball. And of course, all these names are Irish and Scots because they were very, very heavy in Canada. Of course, being a British part of the British Crown. Anyway, so that's the sort of music that they bought. Here is Lanigan's Ball. Next is, and our last piece, I hate to say, but Going Back to Dixie. And again, an Irish melody, though how they ever got down into Dixie, I'm not sure. The paper on this side of the roll is really great because it's the end. There's probably 20 songs on this spool, all short little tunes and all dance tunes. So here we go for our last little piece, Going Back to Dixie. And that's it. Well, I hope you enjoyed that little concert. You've gone back over 120, 130 years, so this is what they had for entertainment, especially on the farms and everywhere that people met. There just was no radio or TV in those days, and how quick we all forget, eh? Thank you very much. Bye now.